The coolant reservoir on a Volvo S80 II, 2006 to 2016, is typically a translucent plastic tank located in the engine bay. Open the hood and look for a container labeled coolant or expansion tank, often white or blue. It's connected to the radiator by hoses and has a pressure cap. On most models, you'll find it on the driver's side, near the firewall, for engines like the 3.0L turbo or 3.2-liters. Coolant, a mixture of antifreeze and water, circulates through the engine to dissipate heat, preventing overheating and freezing. Maintaining the correct level is crucial for engine health. Low coolant can lead to overheating and engine failure. Overfilling can cause pressure buildup. Regular checks prevent costly repairs. Ensure the engine is completely cool before checking the coolant level. Wait at least 30 minutes after driving. Locate the reservoir and examine the min and max lines. The coolant level should be between these lines when the engine is cold. Note that the level will rise when the engine is hot due to expansion. If the coolant level is low, start by preparing a 50-50 mixture of coolant and distilled water. This balanced ratio provides optimal protection against freezing, boiling, and corrosion in your Volvo S80. Ensure the engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Locate the translucent plastic coolant reservoir in the engine bay and carefully remove the pressure cap. Pour the 50-50 coolant mixture slowly into the reservoir. Use a funnel to avoid spills and prevent air pockets that could disrupt the cooling system. Securely replace the reservoir cap. Inspect for any leaks. Start the engine briefly to circulate coolant, then shut off and recheck the level to ensure it's within the proper range. Always use Volvo-approved coolant to avoid warranty issues and ensure compatibility with your S80's cooling system. Stricter environmental regulations have led to higher quality, eco-friendly coolants like OAT or HOAT types that are better for the environment and your engine. Avoid older ethylene glycol-based fluids, which can cause corrosion and are less effective than modern alternatives. Using the correct coolant is vital for protecting your S80's cooling system from corrosion and damage, ensuring long-term reliability. One common problem is low coolant levels due to hose leaks or a faulty reservoir cap. Visual inspections can often detect these issues early. Replace the reservoir cap every 5 years to prevent pressure loss and boilover. Regular coolant checks and timely top-ups can prevent seasonal issues like frozen coolant lines. Checking and topping up coolant is a straightforward DIY task that many vehicle owners can handle themselves with basic tools and proper safety precautions. However, more complex diagnostics may require professional tools like Bluetooth scanners and OBD2 diagnostic devices, which provide accurate readings and comprehensive system analysis. Always prioritize safety and consult a professional mechanic for uncertainties or complex issues. While DIY guides and tutorials are widely available online and in manuals, professional expertise ensures proper handling and prevents potential mistakes. Regular preventative maintenance saves money in the long run by preventing costly repairs, reducing breakdown risks, and extending the overall lifespan of your vehicle. As the automotive industry shifts towards electric vehicles, coolant maintenance for internal combustion engines like those in the Volvo S80 II will gradually decline. Electric vehicles use different cooling systems or eliminate the need for liquid coolants altogether. However, demand for parts and maintenance will persist for classic models like the S80 II, which remain popular among enthusiasts. Stay informed about key trends like sustainable coolants, which are biodegradable and less toxic than traditional options, and digital monitoring tools that provide real-time alerts through smartphone apps. By keeping up with these developments, you can ensure optimal care for your vehicle, whether it's a classic internal combustion model or preparing for future electric technology.